How to sort a list of objects based on an attribute of the objects? I have a list of Python objects that I want to sort by a specific attribute of each object. How do I sort the list by .count in descending order?
More on sorting by keys.
A way that can be fastest, especially if your list has a lot of records, is to use operator.attrgetter_count. However, this might run on a pre-operator version of Python, so it would be nice to have a fallback mechanism. You might want to do the following, then.
Readers should notice that the key equals method is many times faster than adding rich comparison operators to the objects. I was surprised to read this, page 485 of Python in a nutshell. You can confirm this by running tests on this little program. My very minimal tests show the first sort is more than 10 times slower, but the book says it is only about 5 times slower in general. The reason they say is due to the highly optimized sort algorithm used in Python, timsort. Still, it's very odd that sort lambda is faster than plain old sort. I hope they fix that.
Object-oriented approach. It's good practice to make object sorting logic, if applicable, a property of the class rather than incorporated in each instance the ordering is required. This ensures consistency and removes the need for boilerplate code. At a minimum, you should specify _eq_ and _lt_ operations for this to work. Then just use sorted list _of_ objects.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.